This is at One Lane Center in Northbrook. Oh, original Dover, it's nice. Interesting, I've never seen an indicator like that. I believe these are traction. Oh, these are real neat. Oh wow, this is actually pretty neat. Whoa, we're going up. Holy cow. Going down? One?
Yep.
Take care.
Thanks, you too.
There's no door close button. Wow, this is pretty neat. Whoa! These things go. Wow. Well, this is actually really cool. Whew. These things are bouncy. It's got the old style of lantern with the speaker hole in it for the bell, but no bell. You know what? Let's get the other car. Oh, it's out of order. Never mind. Guess we will not get the other car because it's broken. Wow. I think that 3 is upside down. Looks like only this lantern works. Huh, there's a drop key on the 4th floor.